The leader of clamping system, KORLOY double clamp holder. The tool materializing excellent processing by displaying accurate insert seating and strong clamping ability with simple operation of clamp screw. Double clamp holder. The double wedge of top clamp presses the insert and pulling the insert into the backup wall of the holder, thus it materializes strong clamping. The clamp, made of high-quality material with engineered design, shows excellent durability at even under numerous re-clamping of insert. D-type holder shows perfect contact with insert at bottom face of insert as well as periphery side. It displays superior performance in high intermittence conditions comparing to the products of other companies. The independent structure of D-type clamp materializes accurate position control in assembling with holder. It also materializes the compact shape, which is not interfered by chip discharge, and the optimized design which enables the delivery of strong clamping ability. D-type holder maintains stable tool life in intermittence conditions and materializes excellent surface roughness comparing to existing tool by reduction of delicate vibration at cutting. Stable clamping by double wedge shape. Clear and prominent clamping ability. Stable wear and excellent surface roughness at cutting. The leader of clamping system D-type holder promises customers' future.